Good morning. Another beautiful morning. It is Thursday. Supposed to get up to like 83 or something today. Crazy. Gotta enjoy this week because next week it looks like the highs are gonna be closer to 50, which is more of a normal spring. This week is kind of just really hot, but can't complain. So back to the patio job today. We're taking a break from the mulch. On Thursday, right now, it's just me. We don't really have any guys that come in on Thursday yet. For only one more week of this, and then they'll be out of school, so then we can have full-time all week, which will work out because that's when lawns will start probably next week. So I'm gonna head over to the patio and see what I can get done. We're still waiting on base. I guess they've been really slammed busy, so they haven't been able to get us a load. So I can keep working on some final cuts and adjustments and tidy up some of the lights and stuff like that, and keep working on that. And then we gotta form up we're gonna pour a concrete slab for the bar island, or the grill island, so I can form that up and get that going. So still a lot to do, but it would be nice to get the base set, but I can work around it. It doesn't stop me from doing other things. So let's head over there and get to work. All right, so I kind of forgot to film a little bit. I did some adjusting on some of the coping. The wall was a little bit weird in one spot, so I messed with that for a little while. And now I am focusing on finishing up the lights where I can, so that I can start putting this border in here. So I already did all of them up to here. I have to wire a connection right there, that's why that one's out. And then I have a couple connections up top, but I just wanted to show before I put this last piece of coping on. This is what we do. Just take a angle grinder here. The wireless ones are really nice so that you don't have to use an extension cord. And you basically mark where you want the light, and then you mark where the wire is here, and then you cut out a little slot. That way, when you put the light down, the wire can go right in the slot and be flush. I have to cut a little bit more because if you look closely, it's not wide enough for the wire, so I have to adjust that right there. And that's about it. Then you put the light over, or the coping over, and it doesn't really get messed up because this metal is so thin. And that's that. And then because you can't even tell where the lights are here. You can see the one, but you can't, it doesn't mess anything up. So I'm gonna work on this and then wire everything up and put the border in, and then once that's done, I have a handful of things I can choose to do. It just depends what I end up doing. And we're supposed to get another load of base today. It was supposed to get pushed off till tomorrow, but I guess it's coming today. So I have a bunch of stuff I could get into, so I just got to pick something and do it. Alright, so we got this border in, cut in, and now I'm gonna work on cutting these joints tighter here, and then I'm gonna do this last, and then move on to something else. Alright, so my next project is to start working on the cement pad for the grill island. So we've got some rough dimensions laid out, and I put a couple forms up, and now I grabbed the laser. So I'm gonna go from the furthest point over there. I'm gonna go right below the paver a little bit, and then make it perfectly level for the top of the concrete. All this will be level, and then that way the pavers can go right around it, and the grill island will be level, and make sure the water all flows away from the house and everything. And we don't want to see the concrete, obviously, so that's what I'm going to work on now. And then we got our pallet of Quikrete right here, so I'll have to mix that up and pour this slab, and then let it cure while we finish the base and the pavers over here, and then we can build the grill island last. Alright, just got done forming this up. So now I know the height that I need to bring the base up to. Underneath. Over here, obviously we're good, and I gotta put these two, well, probably just one pipe underneath for a sleeve for that electrical box right there. They're gonna need to get it out underneath. So that'll go underneath the concrete and then be buried for now. And then I gotta just build up the base a little bit, mostly in that corner over there along that edge, and then start mixing some concrete and probably get that poured today, hopefully. Making some concrete.